All right, so we got this new mouse trap. We're gonna try it out, see if it works. I hate doing this, but I can't have mice in the house. All right, the hardest part, of course, is getting them out of there. Oh, look at that, opens right up. All right, so we got 3 of them here. All right, so the way these work, they're a little bit different. The food is hidden inside here. So I'm gonna use these little nuts. I just drop one in, then I shut it, and then you just pull this baby back like that, and when they go in there to get it, bam, catches them. So you just pull it right back, and then when they go in there to get it, it snaps on them. Doesn't look very strong, but we'll find out. Supposedly it lifts that up. Let's see if we can simulate it. It's coming. Oh! So that's supposedly how it works. All right, we're gonna try them and see if they work. All right, so that's what it is. It's called Victor Quick Kill. Oh, I hate doing that. All right, so all these I gotta get a little food in them. I'm not gonna get all this little food in there. So hopefully they'll try to get in there and get that food. So I gotta go up there and make sure I got room. All right, so there's my 3 mouse traps. I'm gonna try them out, see if they work. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos. Peace out.